Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete files on a Chromebook. Begin by opening the folder that contains the files you want to delete, like downloads. Once inside the folder, choose the specific file you wish to remove. Now right-click on the selected file. You will spot the delete icon for a direct deletion. Alternatively, explore Show More options for additional choices. Click on Delete to proceed with removing the chosen file. Confirm the deletion to make sure you want to delete the file. The selected file has now been successfully deleted from your Chromebook. Return to the previous screen. Open the Recycle bin to manage deleted files. Click on Empty Recycle Bin to permanently delete files from your device. Confirm by clicking Yes to ensure the complete removal of files. As you can see, all files are completely deleted from your Chromebook. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.